as chefs or even nutritionists, I think we're always gathering new ideas, new concepts to build and work upon on, trying to fuel our clients and fuel these athletes. Whoever it is, it could be a business person who wants to get through the day. It could be an athlete who's trying to make it to the next season, or the next season, and the season after that, or even just like the stay-at-home mom who's just trying to stay fit, trying to look good for her husband. It's our job as the chefs and nutritionists to make sure we adapt and change with the clientele you're working with.